Well, hello and welcome again to the hayfield that's taken a while to get baled, but they've eventually got the baler sorted and the sun's shining, as you can see, and it's coming off. It's baling quite nicely, not a problem. The phone going off when I'm doing this, bugger off. So the baler had a little bit of a problem with one of the knotters, but oh Jesus Christ, my ribs are still giving this shit. I'm walking about, I'm not too bad. It's sitting and getting back up again that's a bit of a bitch. But yeah, here's the baler coming. Krone Big Pack at $12.90, doing a grand job. That was handy, a bale dropping out just at the right time. Baled a little bit short of these for putting into the wrapper. If you saw the other night, you'd see the problems that they were having with the longer blades. The longer bales catch on the arms that go around to wrap. So, good solid bales, all the strings on, everything pretty perfect. You see some bales that were wrapped the other night and some left to do. So he's doing every other row. That's easier for turning at the end, not needing to turn so sharp. That's Edwin Senior on the baler. I bet he's happy that it's going again, because this field has been a little bit of a nightmare for him with one thing and another with the baler. Probably blame it on me being here doing Facebook lives and video and bad luck. Oh Jesus Christ, oh you bugger. Here's Joe coming down on the rake, raking off. We'll get another view of him coming down. Then I might go and have a little bit fly of the drone. Doing a nice tidy job. So there you have it. We'll get away now. A nice little short one for you, as the bishop said to the actress. We'll catch you later.